Hi everyone, Nick Smith here. Many of you will be familiar with the courses that I've run over the last 17 or 18 years, teaching people to use lighting reality. That's always been in a classroom format. People come to a venue, they take the course, they go away. And what I'm finding is that people are struggling to firstly get budget for training at all. Secondly, getting time out of the office to come and do the training. By taking the course online, it opens up other opportunities. Firstly, the cost of me doing the course is significantly reduced, so I can obviously pass those savings on to the users. But also it means you can take the course at your leisure as well. I'm using a platform called Thinkific, which is an online course. You can access to it through a web browser or an app on your mobile device, and what that will allow you to do is you download the app, you sign in through your browser of choice, go to the Thinkific portal, which is nicksmithassociatestraining.thinkific.com, and that will list all of the courses that I have available. I'm starting off with a free course which will cover masking, and how we apply masking on layer 1 and layer 2. And then ultimately I will introduce some other training courses as well. Those will be in some cases short courses, and in other cases they will be a more comprehensive course. Ultimately I'm looking at releasing a complete user's guide to lighting reality online, so that you can look at any aspect of the actual program. So because the course is online, you can do the course at your leisure. You can binge watch videos one after another if that's what you want, and take all the content material in that way, or you can do it half an hour or an hour a day, perhaps at lunchtime, or perhaps in the evening, or by whatever means you want to do it. Perhaps even whilst you're travelling to and from work, you can watch it on a phone, you can watch it on a tablet, a laptop, whatever it happens to be. My mission has always been to try and make people better lighting engineers, and that's never changed, and all I want to do is to share the knowledge. And what I find is that people who come on the courses, they find out something new that they didn't know before, and that to me is a win. So take a look at the courses, and hopefully we'll enter a new era of training online.